Hello everyone, I am Harsh Yadav and on the behalf of our team Tripod, I am going to deliver a project presentation for One API Hackathon 2023. So the name of our project is Drishti. So let's talk about the problem statement, and the problem statement is about visually impaired person. So as we know, visually impaired person find difficult to navigate their surrounding and to perceive the object nearby themselves. So the existing solutions are guide dogs and the canes. So, but they have also their limitations, and due to these limitations, we have made a solution whose name is Drishti. So basically, Drishti is a software, or we say that it is an application which detect the nearby objects. Like if there is any stairs or chairs, so it detect that object, and according to that it tell the person about that it is coming close and you have to be warned. So it tells in the speech recognition system, it tells about that some object is coming, and for the distance purpose we can use the distance sensors. So let's talk about the working of this project. So first of all, what I have made, that we have used the YOLO algorithms. So in these algorithms, that is used to detect the motion objects, the objects nearby to ourselves. So it detect that object, and after that it detect the object, we get the output in an API format, and from that format we give it to the front end part. And in the front end, when the distance is certain threshold, so we have set a threshold of 1.5 meter. So when it is less than 1.5 meter, so it warns, it's on the warning section. So it gives the warning to the person, and he can easily tackle that problem. So let's come on to our computer screen and see the solution. So here you can see that this is our code, and we are going to start our object detection. So it is going to start. It will take the access of our webcam, and through webcam it searches the object nearby and give the output to ourselves. So here you can see that this is our code, and this is our real-time surveillance. So it detect the object. So I am going to start this python main.py. So it will take the access of the camera, and then after that, when camera start, it will start to detect the object. As you can see, the camera is started and it is detecting me as a person. And below, backward of me, there is a refrigerator. I think it can recognize it. Okay. Yes, you can see that it is recognizing a refrigerator. And if I came into the picture, then it will also tell that there is a one person and one refrigerator. So this is the object detection purpose. Let's close this code. Okay, so this is through which the people can detect the object. So after that, the data that is coming here, you can see the data, the refrigerator, the person. This can be stored in an API. So when it is stored in an API, what happens? It will go to the front end section. So this is our front end section, app.js, and okay, so in this we have made a React app which can take the data from the API, and in the main.jsx you can see that this is our code, and the front end part is I have already started it. You can see it is on the localhost 3001, and if you can see here that okay. So here you can see that the first data is coming from the API section, and the rest of these data I have used for the demo purpose. So as we have not using the distance sensor, so that's why I have just written the random distance. But if the distance is below 1.5 meter, then it will start the warning thing. But right now it has not started because all the distance are greater than 1.5 meter, so there is no warning thing. But if a visually impaired person want to know that is there any object surrounding to ourselves, so he can start after clicking on the start info mode. You can see when I click on start info mode, it can tell about the object and the distance between them. So let's start it.
Refrigerator is at a distance of 2 meters. Chair is at a distance of 2 meters. Stair is at a distance of 3 meters.
Okay, so here you can see that it is telling about the object and the distance when people want to get the info. And for demo purpose, let's write a distance less than 1.5 meter. So I am going to write the distance as 1 meter, 1.0k. So after that you can see it will warn continuously. Okay, it will taking the compiling time. Let me wait. Still compiling. So you can see it is compiled, and okay, let me refresh it.
You are going to collide with chair and its distance is 1.
You can
Warning. You are going to collide with chair and its distance is 1.
So you can
Warning.
see it is
You are going to
repeatedly
collide with chair
telling
and its
that
distance is 1.
that you are going
Warning.
to collide.
You are going to collide
So
with
let me
chair
change
and
it.
its distance is 1.
Okay, so I have changed the distance. You can see that when there is distance less than 1 meter, so it continuously warn the pupil. Until then, the distance between them is greater than 1.5 meter. So this is all the working of our project. The future scope for this project is that we make some devices. As now it is a software, but in future we can make some devices for using this thing only. And in the devices we can also use the distance sensor, so it can tell the exact distance between the obstacle and the person. So it is the future scope for this project. So I hope you would like this project, and you can give us some reviews on our project. That's all from our side. Thank you.